Breaking news. The FDIC just secretly bailed out these banks. People are withdrawing cash by the bucket load, desperate to salvage their savings. The IMF just dropped a bombshell report. They're predicting a systemic banking collapse by 2025. That's right, the system is rigged against you, just like in 2008. But this time, it could be even worse. The mainstream media, they don't want you to panic, so they're burying this story. This video is your wake-up call. Which will crash hardest? Banks, bonds, or real estate? We're going to break down exactly what's coming, and most importantly, how to protect yourself the panic hits. Let's talk Bitcoin. It's the digital gold of our era, a revolutionary asset that's been making waves in the financial world. Now, you've heard me talk about Bitcoin before, and you know how passionate I am about its transformative potential. I'm a firm believer in its long-term potential, and I think it could be a game changer for many investors. But here's the thing. Most people don't realize the huge opportunity sitting right in front of them with Bitcoin, especially as we head into 2025. The landscape is shifting, and those who are prepared can reap significant rewards. Institutions, big money players, they're getting into Bitcoin, but they're not buying directly. They're using more sophisticated methods. They're buying through ETFs based on Bitcoin, which allows them to gain exposure without holding the actual asset. This is a strategic move that could drive up demand even further. When Bitcoin goes up, miners go up even higher. This is because their profitability increases exponentially with the price of Bitcoin. Combine that with the halving event, and you've got a recipe for explosive growth. The potential here is enormous. Two miners I've got my eye on right now are Baito and Mara. These companies are well positioned to benefit from the upcoming changes. If you're looking for a way to potentially make a killing during the next bull run, you need to have Bitcoin miners on your radar. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Okay, forget Bitcoin for a second. While cryptocurrencies have been the talk of the town, there's something even more fundamental that we need to focus on. Let's talk about something even more essential. The building blocks of our modern world. These are the materials that make our advanced technologies possible. I'm talking about rare earth metals. These elements are the unsung heroes behind the scenes, powering our daily lives. Lithium, cobalt, copper. These aren't just fancy names on the periodic table. They are the lifeblood of modern technology. They're what make your smartphone, your electric car, even your renewable energy dreams a reality. Without these metals, our tech-driven world would come to a standstill. And guess what? China controls over 80% of the world's rare earth metal production. This dominance gives them significant leverage over the global tech industry. One country holding the keys to the entire global tech industry. This concentration of power is both a strategic advantage and a potential risk. It's a recipe for disaster, and China knows it. They are fully aware of the power they hold and are not afraid to use it to their advantage. They've already started flexing their muscles, slapping export bans on these critical metals. This move has sent shockwaves through industries worldwide. But here's the good news. You can get ahead of this. By understanding the market dynamics, you can position yourself to benefit from these shifts. Investing in rare earth metal miners like REMX and MP is like owning a piece of the future. These companies are at the forefront of extracting and processing these vital resources. Demand for these metals is only going one way up. As technology continues to advance, the need for these materials will only grow. We're talking about a potential, once-in-a-generation wealth-building opportunity here. The time to act is now, before the rest of the world catches on. Don't get caught on the sidelines while everyone else is cashing in. Seize the opportunity and secure your financial future. Chapter 3. Offshore dividend stocks, your secret weapon against the coming collapse. All right, let's talk about protecting your money. In these uncertain times, safeguarding your hard-earned savings is more crucial than ever. Because let's be honest, that's what this is all about, right? Ensuring that your financial future is secure, no matter what happens in the world. You work too hard to see your savings wiped out by another rigged system. The thought of losing everything you've built is terrifying. That's where offshore dividend stocks come in. These stocks offer a unique opportunity to protect and grow your wealth. See, when the US market crashes, it takes everything down with it. The ripple effects can be devastating, affecting every aspect of your financial life. But offshore dividend stocks? They play by a different set of rules. They are not as susceptible to the same market forces that can wreak havoc on domestic investments. We're talking about companies based in stable, business-friendly countries, paying out consistent dividends in cold, hard cash. These countries have robust economies and favorable business environments. Think 7 to 9% yields year after year, like clockwork. This kind of reliability is rare and incredibly valuable. And the best part? These dividends are often tax-advantaged, meaning you get to keep more of what you earn. This can significantly boost your overall returns. This isn't about hiding money, it's about diversifying your portfolio, protecting your wealth, and taking advantage of opportunities that most people don't even know exist. Diversification is key to a resilient financial strategy. Two of my favorite offshore dividend stocks are EPD and MMP. These companies have a proven track record of delivering strong returns. These are rock-solid companies with long histories of paying out fat dividends, even during recessions. Their stability and performance make them excellent choices for any portfolio. Offshore dividend stocks are your secret weapon against the coming collapse. They offer a way to secure your financial future and ensure that your wealth continues to grow, no matter what challenges lie ahead. Look, I get it. This is a lot to take in. The 2025 crisis, the banking collapse, it all sounds scary. But here's the thing. Knowledge is power. That's why you need to subscribe to stay up to date.